Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn a letter. The topic of letter is write a letter to your friend requesting him to lend you some books for some days. Examination hall, city A dot B dot C dot August 22nd, 2023. My dear friend, I received your letter yesterday. I wanted to come to you but did not find time. I have lost my English translation book. It is not available in bazaar nowadays, but I need it very much because I have to do my homework. I know that you have its spare copy. I request you to lend me your book for a few days. I shall keep it carefully and return you in the same condition. I shall return as early as possible. I hope you will send me the book soon. I shall be grateful to you for this act. Write soon. Yours sincerely, X.Y.C. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.